Now, as you see here, we have an avocado. Here, it looks like. Oh! Fuck. I dropped it in the sink. Look how green it is.
That's fucking gross.
That's a very nice green. Goodbye, avocado. Everybody say goodbye, avocado. Let's get another close-up. Yeah.